Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I got the finished version or finished product here for the Justice Gundam by Daban 8831, and this kit is really nice. All I can say that it took me about 3 days to finish this kit because of my busyness in my schedule. But to be honest, at first I thought this kit is very hard to build, but no, this is not hard to build. It's very easy. This is a very fun thing to build because I really enjoy those small pieces, and this is my first time to enjoy those small pieces here, such as the gold plates, which later we will discuss. And I really enjoy it, although it's really small and it's a bit tedious to build for some people. And for me, it's very cool. I don't know. There's this experience that it's my first time to be happy building this kit, and I really like the metal look vibes on this kit. Although this is not made of metal, especially the silver or chrome parts here, these are all plastic. But the band really excelled with this feature here. They really did nice with this inner frame, those silver or chrome inner frame here. They really excel on that part, and it's very cool, to be honest. So let's make a two-part review for this. So we'll first discuss with the main mobile suit or model kit, then we will go with the backpack, this very behemoth looking backpack here, or flight pack. So we go here with this Justice Gundam main body, and this is really cool. Aesthetically, this looks sharp because of those sharp points, especially here on the shoulder. You can see this spiky boomerangish blade weapon here that is attached to the shoulder. And the face, as you can see, if I'm going to zoom the face, this metallic colored piece here, these Vulcans on this side of the cheeks, these are all badass looking, and caught the appeal to my eyes. And the eyes, this pre-painted eye, really make me fell in love with this kit. So these are all color separated, and there are no stickers on the head. These are all clear parts. These blue parts here, the eyes are pre-painted. And the back of the head, there you can see this blue lens here. These are all clear parts. I just can't get rid of this knob mark here. Supposed to be this metallic part, but I cannot rid of with that one. So good thing it's in the back, not in the front of the head. Okay, so the head movement here can rotate side to side, but not 360 degrees because of the neck structure there. It's hampering, and it can look up and look down on this manner. Okay, it can move side to side like that. And for the shoulders can move forward and move inward like that. Can also raise up to that. And the shoulder armor, by the way, can move on a split manner. There you can expose this metallic colored shoulder joint there, this circular like structure here, and underneath that shoulder armor, it's chrome colored. Okay, and the bicep can rotate. Sorry for that, my dog barked, so now he is dead. Okay, and let's go back to the topic here. So the bicep can rotate. Actually, I need to move it forward like that for you to appreciate. So the biceps can rotate 360 degrees, but mind you, the joint for this bicep here is very annoying to assemble at first because they're very loose, but now they are sticking together because of this pink plastic pieces or pink armor here. So the armor or the whole arm can rotate 360 degrees here, and the elbows can bend double jointed, and can bend decently for this kind of bend here, like this. Very nice. And there we got two sets of slot for the shield. So we got holes here, so it's up to you whether you like to put it on the right, but of course I will put it traditionally here on the left. So the shield here is very nice. The shield pieces here is really color separated, so there are no stickers found or can be found on this shield because these are all color separated. And this handle here can move on up and down, but of course I already attach it to the Dalin decal hands. By the way, I remove the stock hand and replace it with its Dalin decal hand, and I just did some modification on this part here. So I put super glue on this part here. There, I put super glue and painted it with silver colored marker for it to jibe. I cannot focus here. Wait, I'll just there. Okay, I painted it with silver marker, and because the joint for the wrist is different, it's not the ball joint type, this is a peg type, so I just trimmed it a bit for this improvised peg to fit together. There, can fit now, and it's very nice. Yeah. There, it's now an authentic master grade with a master grade hand, like that. Okay, so the waist can rotate up to this far. There. Okay, let's turn this up. The side skirts can bend or can flap on this manner. And one thing I like here is it can split. There, it can do some crazy splits, and the front skirt can rotate or can move this far. There, it's very dynamic, and the butt flap can raise up on this manner. Okay, so let's go with the leg joints. Okay, so it can kick up to this far, and it can kick back up to that far. Just raise this a bit, the butt flap, and it can kick up to that far. Okay, let's go with the knees. So the knees is really nice, or the legs. First, we can rotate it first here like this. Can rotate 360 degrees. The knees can bend double jointed, and you can see the structure here. It can also follow like that. So very nice bend. And just be careful. Yep, there. Okay. The ankle here is the worrisome or troublesome part that I ever assemble, because at first it's loose, but I think I did a mistake by putting mighty bond or super glue coat on that peg, on the peg inside, to make it a bit tight. Now it's tight. I cannot make him do the side to side movement, so it's a bit tight. I'm very afraid to move it now. There you can see you can hear that creak there, creaking sound, so it means it's tight. So I'm afraid I might break those little peg that I put mighty bond coat. Okay, so the feet can rotate. Actually, it can rotate 360 degrees like that, so it's very dynamic. And it can flex, plantar flex like that, but cannot do plantar extend. But it can do some. It has hinges here, by the way. It has hinges, so it can do some mild plantar extend like that. But of course, I don't like to move it sideways because I might break the peg that I coated with super glue. It's my mistake. So don't you ever try to tighten it up, because it might break the peg afterwards, which I think I did already. Okay, so there. For dynamic poses, you can watch the other videos, because I cannot do the dynamic poses for this one because of the feet issue. I don't like to stress it out, so I give chance to the other reviewers. Okay, so now let's go with the backpack, the flight unit here. So the flight unit is very nice. It's very superb, and it's very huge. So there we got here these cannons, can move up and down like this. There are cannons here also. These are all color separated pieces. It doesn't have any stickers, which is very nice. I really appreciate it. Okay, there we got here cannons. This one can move. It has hinge there. And the booster here can open up. This one can open down like that. These are all in ball joint. This one is in ball joint. There, ball joint. Okay. The wings can move, can rotate like that. And there's a secondary joint there. Secondary joint. Another joint here. Okay. It's there. And this one for the backpack connector, so just need to attach it like this, or move like this if you want to connect it in the back on this manner. Okay, so there, you need to angle it up like this, but if you want to put it in a neutral pose, you need to move it, okay, like this, there. And you need to sorry for that, you didn't see it. You need to adjust it depending on what kind of pose you need to do with the backpack. So this is the park state, this is the flight state, like that. Okay, so can expand the backpack by pulling these parts here. There, need to pull this one down, then pull this sideways. There, and pull this sideways carefully. There, and you can also pull this forward. Then there's a clip to be attached in the feet, where you can place this kit here like this. So It's like he's standing there. So I didn't finish assembling that first. So for those who likes to see the action poses for this kit, better watch the other videos for that. And just a comment with this backpack. The backpack is really superb. This is really sturdy. And I thought this is a pain in the ass backpack where there might be troublesome in assembling this, but no, it doesn't have. I really enjoyed this all color separated parts here. These are all color separated parts. Color separated parts. These are all. And I really like it. I really appreciate how the band really managed to make this product. These are all color separated there, as you can see. Very nice, very intricate. The details are superb. That's how I can describe this kit. I really like this kit. Thank you, Daban, for making such a wonderful kit like this. The band 8831. Okay, so there you can put some stick here, like the transparent stick that can support the back of the Justice Gundam while he's standing on this backpack. So once you install the backpack and put it in the park state, things become very wobbly for the legs. So good thing that the wings here, the side wings, can act as a secondary legs to support the main legs. And there I can sense the wobbliness on this two legs here. And good thing, which I thought a mistake at first, the tightening of the hinges on the feet becomes more helpful on this situation. So there, it can stand on its own, but still the wobbliness on the knees is is very annoying to me. Okay, so the kit does have a simple set of weapons. We got here the beam rifle, the shield, and here the this boomerang here, where he can hold, I think here on this part here, he can hold there, and there will be an emitting blade there, which I just kept inside the box because I don't have intention of using it. Anyway, there's a blade supposed to be there, and if you want to use the beam boomerang. And we got here two sets of beam saber thing, which is mounted on the side skirt. For size comparison, here's with the Gundam Wing Proto Zero from Bandai, and we got here this Gundam Strike Noir, Bandai also, master grade. And this kit is a bit taller than the two kits. And let's compare it side by side with another Daban metal build version, which I got recently, the Matsuhana. And there, it's make them face off each other, so they're about the same height. Matsuhana and this Justice Gundam. So it's very nice. Two of my metal build version Daban model kit. That is really awesome. So thank you so much for watching this review of the Justice Gundam from Daban 8831, and see you next time. This is a cool kit, a must buy kit.